Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a deep clean and organize of my bathroom. As you know from my previous cleaning video, I usually do a little bit of a light clean every weekend, but today I was inspired. I wanted to go through and get rid of everything that was expired. I wanted to get all of the water stains out of my cabinets, and I wanted to make sure that my floor was squeaky clean. So stay tuned for a motivating video. We're very lucky to have such a large cabinet in this bathroom. The one downside is that we tend to hoard a lot. We have so many medications in here that are expired and just taking up space that I decided that we needed to get rid of anything that was not any good anymore.
Feel the weight lift off your shoulder as you flow. Now who do you think you are? Who do you think you love when you get older? Take yourself back in time. But what do you think?
One of the downsides to having your toiletries on a subscription basis is that you sometimes end up with way too many. For instance, we have so many tubes of toothpaste and way too many razors. What do you have on a subscription basis that you might want to reevaluate at this time?
Step, step from the words that lift off from your lips. Step, step, may they never get lost in the deep abyss. You can get.
As you can see, we have a bit of a theme here in the cabinets and in the tile. We have quite the checkerboard theme going on here, and I absolutely love the charm that it has in this bathroom.
As you flow, now who do you think you are? Who do you think you love when you get older? But take yourself back in time. But what do you think you find that you don't already know?
Here I'm just giving our cabinets a wipe down with our general all-purpose surface cleaner. Because my bathroom is basically a greenhouse, I've decided to do all of the organizing on our bed. The first category to be decluttered is healthcare, medications, and first aid. Here I'm just going to break down all of the boxes from band-aids that have gone into our first aid kit, as well as going through and seeing the expiration date on all of these medications. For instance, one of the oldest ones that we have actually expired at the end of 2018. Once I've sorted out all of the expired medications, I'll go ahead and put them all in a bag to take to my local Walgreens for some safe disposal of medication. The next round of decluttering is skincare products, toiletries, and any other miscellaneous medications that didn't make it in the first round.
When I wake up in the middle of the night and I feel wide awake 'cause I've got you on my mind, I go walking out in the streets with the
Because I have acne-prone skin, I tend to not use very many products on my skin. Regardless, I end up with so many different face masks, so many different facial treatments that I just don't know what to do with.
In the night 'cause I can't get to sleep when I got you on my mind. See the dog that lives down the road, he's howling at the moon 'cause he's locked in his own home. I say, hey boy.
Here I'm repurposing a bin that was holding many miscellaneous travel toiletry-sized toiletries and putting all of these face masks and other facial products that I don't use on a regular basis. That way, when quarantine's eventually over, I have friends over, I can have them look through this bin and see if they would like anything from here, because I know I'm not using it to the extent that I know other people probably could.
Walking in the night 'cause I can't get to sleep when I got you on my mind. Oh. Walking in the night with the moon and the stars, they make me feel alright. Hey ho, walking in the night 'cause I can't get to sleep when I got you on my mind. Hey ho, walking in the night with the moon and the stars, they make me feel alright. Hey ho, walking in the night 'cause I can't get to sleep when I got you on my mind. Oh.
It's finally time for us to start putting some things back in the cabinet. After a long and arduous task of decluttering, we're back at the organizing stage, which is one of my favorites. I like to put things where I think I'll use them the most. So even if it doesn't seem the most organized, it's definitely the most practical for how I utilize my products.
And then you said my name for the first time. How suddenly everything can change. All I know is I fall into the ground, and then your hand was out, you smiled, and I fell again. Well, you do that sort of smile where your lips squirt to the side, and all I've got are freckles, curly hair, and my pride. But you seem to find that things are okay when I'm around, and your eyes are like a storm while I sit on a cloud. And I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. Sometimes your temper gets the best of you, and I always have to have the last word.
Now we're back to one of the final steps of our decluttering, is miscellaneous large toiletries and makeup. So if you know me, I'm not a huge makeup wearer. I tend to have my go-to routine, whether it be day or night, it's always the same. I'm not huge on experimenting on makeup. So some of the products that I'm going through here, I've had since, mid-college. So it's time that I get rid of them.
I sit on a cloud, and I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. I can't believe that you are mine, you are mine. You and I come from different sides of town, and your parents hate my name and how I sound. So you kindly tell them just to shut up, because to you I am just enough. sort of smile with your lips squirt to the side. And all I've got are freckles, curly hair, and my pride.
We're almost to a close on the decluttering and organizing section of this video. So if you've gone through and decluttered something in your home, I'm very proud of you. It takes a lot of effort and time. So I am super proud of you for going through and making those tough decisions, or maybe even easy decisions, on things to get rid of.
You are mine, you are mine. You are mine.
No me abraza el calor que sentí al salir de casa, gotas calan el interior.
I might be starting a war here, but how do you fold your towels? Let me know in the comments below.
Con tu mirada a mi alrededor y un techo tapa este nubarrón. Te siento tan lejos, quiero ser el sol. Me tumbo a tus piernas, caliento toda tu voz.
We are finally moving on to the rest of the bathroom, so here I'm just taking out the trash.
Y déjame cantarte, aunque no tenga voz, que quiero que recuerdes este primer sabor. Que bailes sobre
Like I said earlier, our bathroom is a bit of a greenhouse, so here I am just cleaning all of our windows with some glass cleaner and all of our mirrors with that same glass cleaner. Now I'm coming in with a Swiffer duster just to get all of those windowsills and all of those extra trim pieces that are in these old houses. What a world of a difference that dusting makes.
que la hoguera calienta casi tanto como tus ganas de volar. Me siento a tu lado para comernos las ganas de salir a correr. Sacas tu guitarra para soñar.
Nothing crazy here with the sink. Since I do clean it on a pretty regular basis, it doesn't need too much work.
Déjame cantarte.
Our medicine cabinet is one of the most neglected parts of our bathroom, since we do only use it for when we brush our teeth.
Que bailes sobre el suelo, escarchado del sudor, y que tu risa empañe el verano.
One time when we were on vacation and we came home from vacation, one of the shelves that was in this medicine cabinet had actually fallen out and just broke in our entire sink. So that's why there's only one shelf in this medicine cabinet, but before there were two. Here's a task I hardly ever do, is to take off my cloth shower curtain and wipe down the plastic lining. So sometimes this can get pretty gross with soap scum, or even, if fully neglected, mold. So I like to try and avoid that every now and then by wiping it down fully, just to make sure that there's no extra water or any extra moisture trapped in the folds.
And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think no competition.
Now it's time to move on to the shower. I love having a detachable shower head that we can then use to spray the walls when we're scrubbing. It's so much easier than having to use a cup or any other sort of device to get water up on those walls when you're scrubbing them down.
I'm the one you're missing. Oh, I'm the one. I always knew that we were.
I'd like to take a moment just to let you all know that when I was filming this video, it was roughly 92 degrees outside. So in this greenhouse of a bathroom with no windows open because of the smoke, it was super hot in this bathroom. So if you see me being a drippy, sweaty mess, I totally don't apologize, because I have a clean bathroom now.
Beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think.
Moving on to the tub, just using some toilet bowl cleaner. It works just as well as any other tub cleaner that I've seen. So just using some toilet bowl cleaner just to clean the tub. Nothing too fancy.
I don't know how much longer I can do this.
How many tries is it going to take for me to get this basket back on its hooks?
When I'm alone at night and things ain't right, I need to
A lot of times. It is time for us to tackle the throne. So this won't change too much from my weekend reset routine because personally a dirty toilet is one of the things that just makes a home feel gross. Even if the rest of my house is filthy, if I have a clean toilet, I feel like my life is quite a bit better.
I'm the one you're missing. I'm the one you're missing.
We're in the home stretch, you guys. We're moving on to floors. So here I am just moving everything off of the floor to prep for vacuuming and mopping. We've recently made the switch to a microfiber Swiffer head that I got off of Amazon in a 2-pack and a pet-friendly vinegar-based floor cleaner that's diluted with water. So I'll leave those two in the description below, but we're really enjoying them. They pick up a lot more dirt than just the Swiffer wet. Time for final reassembly of this bathroom. I hate to admit how long this took me, but it took me quite a while since it was just so hot and I needed breaks very often to get out of the heat. But overall, I think this took me maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to fully declutter and clean this bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found the motivation and the inspiration to get your bathroom in order. Let me know what you'd like to see next. As always, take care of yourself, your home, and those that you love. Bye!